Pero ngayon naman, mas aalamin pa natin ang kagalingan naman ng mga kabataan ng ating panahon dahil naganap nga itong 2015 Metro Bank MTAP DepEd Math Challenge. Sa mga math wizards itong makakasama natin ngayong umaga, makakasama natin live dito sa studio ang Program Assistant ng Education Unit Metro Bank Foundation, Mr. Mark Conrad Ravanzo. Good morning.
Ayan, good morning Kuya Jules. Well, yes, thank you. At good morning sa lahat ng mga nanonood ng Good Morning Boss, sa mga boss natin dyan. Magandang umaga po.
Morning, sir. And syempre, kasama rin natin yung mga participants. Unang-una sa grade 6, si Richmond Lim. Good morning. At si Bryce Sanchez. Good morning to all of you. And in the 4th year, si Ezekiel Christian Ong. Good morning.
Morning po.
Okay, so let's start once again. I'll be asking the same question just like last year. Gaano ba karaming participants dito sa MMC?
Yan, Kuya Jules. Alam mo, more than 500,000 students ang nagsumasali sa ating Metrobank MTAP DepEd Math Challenge or mas kilala bilang MMC. So it's already the 14th year of Metrobank Foundation doing this in partnership with the Department of Education at ang Mathematics Teachers Association of the Philippines or mas kilala bilang MTAP.
That's 500,000
students.
500,000 students all over the Philippines.
All over the Philippines. Kasi po, yung sa nationwide competition, we start from the elimination rounds. We're in more than sa schools na bale 39,000 schools ang sumasali, buong Pilipinas yon. So yung mga nananalo po sa elimination rounds, they proceed to the division finals. Yun na yung 214 DepEd divisions sumasali, buong Pilipinas yon. Tapos yung mga nanalo naman po sa division finals, nagpro-proceed sila sa regional finals. At lahat po ng regions natin sumasali sa math competition natin. At yung mga nanalo naman po sa regional, they proceed to the national finals, which was held last March 14, 2015 in Metrobank Plaza.
Alright. So yung ano ba yung mga prizes na nag-aanday for them?
Siyempre, aside from the cash prize, yung 4th year po natin nakatanggap ng 50,000 pesos.
Wow!
Yan. At yung grade 6 naman natin nakatanggap ng 25,000 pesos each. Kasi we have a team category and individual category. So yung team po nakatanggap sila ng tigi-isang 50,000 for 4th year at ang grade 6 naman 25,000. At ang maganda dito, Kuya Jules, yung cash prize nila, yung kalahati doon, nilagay namin sa Fun Savers Club account ng Metrobank para naman to instill in them and promote the value of saving.
That's right. So basically, wala pa kang gagastusin doon sa part ng money niya. You will be saving it, tama? With our grade 6 kids here, Richmond and Bryce, first of all, congratulations. Are those gold medals? Yes, congratulations. So, firstly, ano yung preparations na ginawa niyo before joining here? This competition, imagine, from 39,000 schools, di ba? And 500,000 participants. Kayo yung mga may medals kayo, so congratulations. So, ano muna yung pakiramdam na nanalo kayo? Sige lang. Are you happy? Of course.
Yes.
So, what are your plans in the future? Do you plan to join in the competition yearly?
Yes.
Okay, so what can you say with the other students who are afraid of math, just like me before? Do you love math? You love math?
Yeah.
Okay, so hopefully all students who are watching right now, syempre bakasyon ng mga kids ngayon maging halimbawa sila Richmond and Bryce na out of 500,000 students all over the Philippines. Ladies and gentlemen, they have their gold medals right now. So congratulations. Let's go now to Ezekiel, 4th year. So magka-college ka na.
Apo.
Next year, saan ka papasok?
Sa UP po.
UP?
Manila.
Yes, okay. Welcome to UP. So una-una, congratulations for passing the UPCAT as well. Pero ito, you also have a medal out of 500. And so ano yung mga preparations na ginawa mo before?
I started training po ever since nung grade 1 pa ako. So,
grade 1?
Yes po. So, I always sa school nag-training and sometimes may mga outside trainings din. Then, yung this year talaga, nung 4th year, when we started nung June, nung we started the school year, parang yung goal talaga, me and my coach, it was sa school, si Mr. Kurt Byron Ang, we always, parang yung goal namin is nakaset lang. Kasi syempre, nag-start kami June, tapos yung contest is on mga March or April pa. So, it's a long way. And sometimes parang mahirap din na parang minsan like giving up. Pero parang, I mean, every time we solve, every time we train, parang we just keep on solving hanggang makuha namin isang problem. And if we don't get the solution, we don't let the question pass by.
It really is a long way since grade 1, right? More than a decade of training. So, ever since grade 1, gusto mo na talaga yung math?
Dati po, tinatamad-tamad pa. Pero as the years pass by, mas nagugustuhan.
Gusto mo na talaga. So, tingin mo paano ito nakatulong sa'yo para syempre maging mabuting estudyante na masipag mag-aral? Ngayon, nakapasa ka pa ng UPCAT. Sobrang dami rin, yung pinakamahirap na college exam sa Pilipinas. So, anong pakiramdam na nagamit mo training mo sa math for passing the UPCAT?
Partly din po na sa mga challenges na na-face, sa mga contest na na-join po, it has made me into a better person po, na mas determinado po ako sa mga nagagawa ko. Dati po, nung nagsimula, medyo tinatamad-tamad. Pero dahil po sa math, parang it has made me into a more hardworking person po.
Yeah. Okay, Sir Mark, balik tayo sa'yo. 14 years na ginagawa itong MMC. So, how do you think na nakakatulong itong competition na to para ma-promote yung education ng Pilipinas, especially this 2015, nagsimula na itong ASEAN integration. So, paano tayo makiki-level, let's say, na math ng Singapore and other ASEAN nations?
Yan na magandang tanong yan, Kuya Jules. May dalawa akong sagot para dyan. Una, ang mga national winners po namin, katulad ni na Ezekiel, ni na Bryce, tsaka ni Richmond, nagko-compete rin sila sa mga international competitions, katulad ng IMO, yung pinaka-presiyosong math competition sa buong mundo. So, may mga winners po natin, nananalo rin sila. Last time po, nanalo tayo ng silver. I think si Farrell Wu tsaka si from St. Jude, nanalo sila ng silver medal. So they bring pride to our country at napakita na may mga talento at tsaka may tayo na ipapakita sa buong mundo na magaling rin ang mga Pilipino. At pangalawa po, ang MMC, hindi lang siya basta competition. We have this program called Operation Matthew, wherein yung mga national winners namin, they go to a public school and teach the underperforming students, grade 5. So parang it's an paid-forward activity for them. So basta hindi lang sila nananalo after winning, they have this parang responsibility also to teach the kids who are not performing well in mathematics.
That's great. So ikaw, Ezekiel, may experience ka na magturo ng mga students?
Mga classmates po.
Classmates mo. So, kamusta naman? Gaano ka ka-patient sa pagturo sa mga kaklase mo?
Minsan nakakainis din po. Minsan pagtatanong pa ulit-ulit. Pero, I just remember where I came from din. Dati, ganoon din po ako. Hindi rin po ako marunong. So,
paano mo na, kumbaga, nalagpasan yung takot mo sa math? Kasi usually, yun yung kinakatakot ng mga students. Dahil takot sila sa math, nagre-reflect na rin to dun sa mga grades nila, sa mga exams nila. So, paano mo na-overcome yun?
First of all po, kasi yung brother ko po, I have two brothers, and yung eldest brother ko po, when he was back in grade 6, he also won the same contest. And when he won that, parang na-inspire ako, na I also want to be. And parang, dati parang I was so scared of math. I was so afraid na pag sumasali ng contest, baka matalo lang, nakakahiya. Pero after some time, I realized then na it's not about failing naman eh. And parang all the failures na mamimit mo, it would help me it helped me to strive more in math.
Richmond and Bryce, grade 6 students. So you are, how old are you guys?
I'm 12 years old.
11 and 12 years old.
Incoming 12.
Incoming 12. So next year, high school or grade 7? Grade 7. K-12 na nga pala. So, ever since kailan kayo nag-start na or kailan kayo nagsimula na mahalin yung math? What age?
I started at grade 2 and I was, wait, let me count.
You are 8 years, 7? Around that age. Right? How about you? How old?
Grade 3.
Grade 3. So ever since grade 3, you started competing already? No? Ever since that year, minahal mo na yung math. Right?
Yeah. Around 8 years old.
Around 8 years old. So since 8 years old, you've been competing already?
9. Wait, the first competition, I was 9. But then the MTG started when I was 8.
So you see yourself in the every year competing with math? Right? Okay, so maganda yung future nyo sa school nyo and of course, bringing honors to the school. Matutuwa yung school nyo sa inyo. So, ngayon, let's go back to the question na it's 2015, the ASEAN integration started already. kung meron tayong status ng math sa Philippines, saan natin siya irarank kung i-compare natin sa ibang bansa?
Well, alam mo, katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, Kuya Jules, yung mga winners natin pinapadala abroad. At
so at par na?
Yes. Kasi we bring medals eh.
Yes.
Like previously nanalo na tayo ng silver medal.
Yes,
imagine mo. So it's a worldwide competition.
Worldwide?
Yes, it's an international competition and we bring medals.
Yes,
so medyo umaangat na talaga tayo pagdating sa mathematics competition.
Pero sa competition na to, ang focus lang talaga dito is math, di ba? Meron pa rin ba kayo ibang other competitions na nag-feature na iba't ibang subjects din?
For Metrobank, we only have the Metrobank Math Challenge.
Okay.
Since we are a banking institution, so we want to have the trust.
Siguro as we end, 14 years na rin kasi, ito yung bago nating batch ng winners. Pero kung babalikan natin, siguro as a final note, nasaan na yung mga champions natin before?
Ayan, maganda. Actually, ang ganda ng tanong mo, Kuya Jules. I want to state, dalawang winners, si Mr. Gary Villame, who is already president of an IT company.
Wow.
He donated kasi nasa IT world siya, nasa IT field. So, we asked him to create a software na ginamit namin sa national final. So, ang ginawa po ni Mr. Gary Villame, our 2000 winner, nag-donate siya ng isang software na ginamit namin sa national finals to make the competition digital. So, during the national finals, we used tablet computers. Yes. So, I think we are the first mathematics competition na gumamit ng tablet computers. At yung software ginawa niya mismo.
Wow.
Ayan. Then we also have Farrell Wu, who is a 14-year-old student and known to be as one of the most smartest kid in the world.
In the world?
Yes.
He's a Filipino. One of the smartest kids in the world is a Filipino.
Yes.
Okay, so that's good to hear, especially for the our new set of winners for this year. Narinig niyo ba yun? Na yung mga champions 14 years ago or some part ng 14 years ng MTAP ngayon presidente na ng mga IT companies, etc. So you have a very bright future ahead of you. So congratulations for winning those medals. So so much for guesting in our show once again this year. Muli nakasama natin ang Program Assistant ng Education Unit Metrobank Foundation. Walang iba kundi si Mark Conrad Ravanzo. Thank you so much.
Maraming salamat.
Of course, our winners from the Grade 6 Division, Richmond Lim and Bryce Sanchez. And our first place sa 4th year individual competition, Uno High School, si Ezekiel Christian Ong. Congratulations.
Thank you po.
Okay, so yan na po mga boss, narinig natin na talagang kayang-kaya natin mag-achieve in terms of math, hindi lang sa Pilipinas kundi sa buong mundo. Kaya nakasama natin ang mga kasama natin mula sa Metrobank.